1, 2, 3. David just shaved his beard and accidentally.
YouTube's never seen me like this.
YouTube's
Seriously.
never seen you.
Not like this.
And he accidentally shaved a little patch, so he had to practically shave everything
Literally
off.
everything. Like I have like a little 5 o'clock shadow.
Are you ready to see this?
Yeah. When's the last time you saw me with that?
Like a year ago.
I did it once, right?
Show the world. Show us.
YouTube, you've never seen me like this. Okay, the bad thing is that it's also really white, right?
Go.
I look like a naked mole rat. Stop. Okay, stop. Stop laughing. Is it like that bad? Oh my gosh.
Dude.
You should love me no matter what. Why is it so zoomed in? I can tell the lens.
You don't love me with my hair up.
Oh my gosh. Is it that bad?
No, you just look naked. The hat's not gonna help.
Let's get into today's video.
Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We are here with famous Cali boy Kevin Van Force, aka Demon Owner, aka I Blow Up Engine Blocks. What's up? Alright, this is gonna be very pointless, but I just want to do it so you guys can see the donkey stomping this demon's about to give.
This is how bored we are on Saturdays.
Okay, so this is my 2018 Mustang GT, completely stock, auto 10 speed, completely stock. And this is a 2018 Dodge Challenger Demon, also completely stock. It has the race gas PCM in it, but it doesn't have race gas in it, so it's not on race gas, because that would not be fair.
Hey, are we do eco mode too?
Yeah, I do want to. Okay, yeah, that's a good idea. So we'll race like Kevin on normal pump gas. We won't do race gas, but he also has eco mode on his car, and we'll see if I can keep it, because eco mode's what, 500? That should be a good race.
Yeah. Real quick, can you guys thumbs down this video for David's beard, please? R.I.P.
I know. I shaved. It was pretty bad. But so Kevin's stock. He's on the stock Nittos. 315 all the way around, or 305? 315 all the way around. 315. I'm on some all-season junk monks. Well, let's give her a start. Let's show them what we're working with here. This is a stock Demon. Cold start, warm start, warm start. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's real nice. That's real nice. Was the wrap extra, or did that come from Dodge like that? Got him! All right, give. Hey,
do you hear that?
Give the ticking time bomb a little rev here. That's the normal tick.
There's something slapping around.
Oh jeez.
Got him.
Not bad.
It's like I'm driving like a golf cart.
Oh man. Golf cart versus speedboat. Alright, so why does it feel so close?
Will you stop every time I hold the camera? You judge me.
Alright, so we're gonna do a 50 roll right now. Got some I'll put it in sport mode, downshift to I don't know, probably like second or third. I think it could do second and 50, but maybe third gear. I don't know what gear Kevin's gonna be in. We're gonna give her hell. Alright, so we're also gonna get a run in with Eric's Evo 10. It's a manual transmission because it's a GSR. Pretty sure it's stock. It has like a blow-off valve intake and exhaust. I don't even think it's tuned though. We'll have to ask him. But we're gonna run his ass too, and he's gonna get donkey stomped by this freaking stock Mustang, baby. Let's go!
Is he?
Yeah, Orange Fury in the house. Makes it faster.
1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
10. Give him the gap sauce. Sorry, Eric. I apologize. So we're gonna race the Demon now. I think the Demon on Eco Mode is gonna be a really good race, but we'll see what happens.
Is he even gonna run it in Eco
Sure.
mode? Ready? 1, 2, 3!
What an Eco!
Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3! I think I did 1, 2, 3.
That was doing good.
Ready? Hold on. 1, 2, 3!
I really thought the Demon in 500 horsepower mode, it would be really close. Because that's 500, it's like 480 or whatever it is. That's crank. I feel like it didn't look closer. Something's not right. I think Kevin's cheating. But because in the Trackhawk, or even my Hellcat, when you put it in like 500 horsepower mode or the Black Key, like it is way slower. This car took off the exact same in Eco mode. So, but that is what it is, I guess. We got donkey stones both times. Oh, man. But, so that's going to conclude today's video. Just kind of wanted to see. I really wanted to see if the Eco mode would be similar. So if anyone has a stock Hellcat and wants to race the Mustang in Eco mode, the Hellcat in Eco mode, I think it'd be close. I really do. It shouldn't be that far off.
I hope not.
Oh, man, it's embarrassing. Shout out Eric for doing a little poll with us too in his Evo. I kind of figured that would happen because his Evo is pretty much stock. Like, I don't even think it's tuned. I think it just has an intake, exhaust, and blow-off valve. It doesn't have a tune. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed that short little video. I thought it'd be fun. I thought it'd be interesting just to kind of see how much faster an 800 horsepower Demon is. And he's not on race gas. Race gas is 840. Pump gas is 808 to the crank. So, somewhere in like the 700s to the wheel. Whereas this might make, I don't even think this makes 400 to the wheel. I've seen like high 300, so it's like double the horsepower.
Someone's Snapchatting the Demon right now.
This lady is Snapchatting right now. Snapchat me that Demon, Not the
That's
orange
funny.
cream Mustang, huh? So if you guys are enjoying the Mustang content, we've got a ton of it to come. So make sure you guys always comment, like, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, VanV39. Follow Kevin at CaliBoyKev. Follow Eric at, what's his Instagram name? I always forget it.
Four-door Durant.
Four-door Durant. He doesn't have a YouTube, but he needs to get one. Peace.
What about mine?
Oh, at Kennedy McCall.
Yeah, that's right.
Peace.